Microsoft Word Chapter 4, Project 3A, 3B, and 3C. Project 3A, Inserting Page Breaks. Go ahead and open Comp Devices and file Save As 4-Comp Devices. Alright, step number 2. Change the top margins by completing the following steps. Click on the Layout tab. Click the Page Setup Group dialog box launcher. At the Page Setup dialog box, click the Margins tab and then type 1.5 in the top margin measurement. So if you're not already on margins, go ahead and click on it. And on your top, you want it to be 1.5. 2D, click OK. Okay, so we changed our top margin to 1.5. Step number 3. Insert a page break at the beginning of the heading Mouse by completing the following steps. 3A. Position the insertion point at the beginning of the heading Mouse at the bottom of page 1. There. Click the Insert tab and then click the Page Break button in the Pages group. Insert, Pages group, Page Break. Okay, so you've inserted a page break right before the word Mouse. Step number 4. Move the insertion point to the beginning of the title Computer Output Devices on the second page. Okay, here it is right here, Computer Output Devices. And then we're going to put a page break in this time by using the keyboard command Control Enter. Okay, so you learn to insert a page break by going on your Insert tab and clicking Page Break, or the much faster way, which is just Control Enter. Move the insertion point to the beginning of the heading Printer, right there, and insert a page break by using the keyboard command Control Enter. Okay. Step number 6. Delete a page break by completing the following steps. Click the Home tab. Turn on your Show Hide if it's not already on. Okay. Scroll up to display the bottom of the third page. Okay. Position the insertion point at the beginning of the page break and then press the Delete key. Right here. Okay, so all we're going to do is delete this page break. Now you have one blank line there. Go ahead and press your Delete key again to get rid of that extra stroke of the Enter key. Turn off the display of non-printing characters. I'm probably like mine on, but I'll do it because it said so. Go ahead and hit Save. And we're ready to move on to 3B. Project 3B, Inserting a Blank Page and a Cover Page. Alright, we are in 4-Comp Devices, and we're going to create a blank page by completing the following steps. Move the insertion point at the beginning of the heading Touchpad and Touchscreen on the second page. Touchpad and Touchscreen is right there. Click the Insert tab, and then in your Pages group, click Blank Page. Okay, so you just inserted a blank page. Step number 2. Insert a cover page by completing the following steps. Control Home. So go back up to the top of the document. 2B. Click the Cover Page button in the Pages group. Pages group, Cover Page. Scroll down and look for the Motion Cover Page. These are in alphabetical order. On my computer, I don't need to scroll down. I can see mine. I don't know how your computer looks. You might need to scroll down. Just remember, it's right there. Go ahead and click on Motion. Alright, you've got your cover page. Click the document title placeholder, right there, and then type Computer Devices. Okay, don't press your Enter key. Okay, step E, click the year placeholder, and you're going to click this down pointing arrow, and you're going to click on today. So you don't even have to know what year it is, do you? The computer will tell you. Okay. Step F, scroll down until you see right here it says student name, company name, and the date. Please notice it put the date in for us. We want to click on company name, and we want to type in Drake Computing. And then right above that, you click on it, see where it says student name right here? Go ahead and type your own name in, please. Just like that. All right, once you have all that finished, step number 3. Remove the blank page you inserted in step 1 by completing the following steps. 3A. Move the insertion point immediately right of the period that ends the last sentence in the paragraph of text in the trackball section at the bottom of page 3. So we're going to scroll down. Okay, I don't like to work blind, so I am turning on my show hide, whether the book says to or not, because I want to see exactly what I'm doing. So I'm going to click right here next to the period after trackball. Okay, now it says 3B. Press the delete key on the keyboard approximately 6 times until the heading touchpad and touchscreen displays. Okay, so try pressing your delete key. Mine was 6. Okay, whatever it takes to get it up there and not have an extra blank line left in there. Go ahead and hit save, and you're ready to move on to project 3C. Inserting pre-designed page numbers. Alright, project 3C. Insert page numbering by completing the following steps. 1A. Move the insertion point so it is positioned anywhere in the title Computer Input Devices. Okay, right there. 1B. Click the Insert tab. 1C. Click the page number button in the header and footer group and then point to the top of page. Alright, so we need our header and footer group. We've got page number. Touch top of page. A cascading menu will pop over on the side. 1D. Scroll through the drop down list and then click the brackets 2 option. Okay, so we're just going to scroll through until you see brackets 2. And when you see it, go ahead and click on brackets 2. Step number 2. Click the Close Header and Footer button on the Header and Footer Tools Design tab. Okay, since we put in a header, we now have a contextual tab that says Header and Footer Tools. This is the Header and Footer Tools Design tab. And on the far right-hand side, it says Close Header and Footer. Okay, now your header's dimmed because we closed that, and your document is active again. Scroll through the document and notice the page numbering displays at the top of each page except the cover page. The cover page and text are divided by a page break. Word does not include the cover page when numbering pages. Okay, so you'll see on your cover page, no page numbering, and as you scroll through, there's 1, there's 2, and there's 3. Step number 4, remove the page numbering by clicking the Insert tab, clicking the Page Number button, and then clicking Remove Page Numbering. So Insert, okay, Header and Footer group, Page Numbering, Remove Page Numbers. Listen, there are harder ways to do this. This is the easiest, most efficient way to do this. And again, it's Insert, Header and Footer group, Page Number button, Remove Page Numbers. Okay? Step number 5, click the Page Number button, point to bottom of page, scroll down the drop-down list, and then click Accent Bar 2. Alright, so we're going back to our page numbers. So we're on our Insert tab in our Header and Footer group, page number, bottom of page, and we want Accent Bar 2. It's this one right here. Click the Close Header and Footer button on the Header and Footer tab. You can also press your Escape key. It does the same thing. Okay, and there it is. Okay, you can scroll through. And you'll see that you have a footer on everything except for the cover page. Go ahead and save, print, and close.